If you are the one like me who always want to try latest and greatest offering from Office, do not want to compromise with the feature, or even would like to participate with Microsoft in development of new features, then you are at right place. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you are watching Technoholic. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Office updates offered by Office Insider in Microsoft Office. We will see how we can enable it. So without further ado, let's jump right in. And before we go further, let me also give you a little bit background of Office Insider. So Office Insider, I would say you can consider it as public beta, or there would be developer beta or canary channels as well, that kind of make your Office less stable. So if you use Microsoft Office for work, I will not suggest you to go for features. So there is always, features are inversely proportional to performance. It will be like this only, okay? So if you are okay to have more features by doing little bit of compromise on the product robustness, then you are at good track. Let's do this together. Okay, so to get started, let me click on this Windows menu button and open any Office app. So here I am opening Microsoft Word, and as I hit account, I can see here this option which says join Microsoft 365 Insider. So if you do not see this option, then probably you are not eligible to participate in Microsoft 365 Insider. The prerequisite for having Microsoft 365 Insider is that you need to have 365 license. If you are Office 2021 or 2024 users, unfortunately Microsoft do not provide any channel for those users. So make sure you have got Microsoft Office 365 personal license. So again, you're not going to see this 365 Insider even in case of enterprise users. Now let me click here on this Microsoft 365 Insider, and then all we need to do is we need to click on join Microsoft 365 Insider. Now here we need to click on sign up, then you need to agree to the terms and condition. Now let's hit OK. And then here we can see it says that congratulations, you have successfully opted into Microsoft 365 Insider program. And then it also says that take me to the Microsoft 365 Insider website to stay current to the latest features. So let me click OK. It's going to open the website where it will, talk about or maybe show us the latest build inside Microsoft Office 365. And here we go. Here we can see some of the latest features available. For example, using voice to gather insight from your Word document, that maybe we're gonna see at later stage. So let me minimize this for the time being. And here we can see while we were exploring this website, the process of downloading certain files have already begun. So probably since we opted for this Microsoft Insider, the Office will be configured accordingly. So let's wait for this download to get completed. And finally here we can see, seems like we have downloaded the necessary updates. Now we need to click on continue. And before we click on continue, we need to save the work as it may cause data loss. So now let's click on continue. This will close Microsoft Office. And finally here we can see this message which says that you are on the cutting edge. This is what I want. I want cutting edge. And I am very excited to be part of it. Okay. So let's click on OK. And now we're gonna see even more features available to us before it comes to public. So again, here I'm gonna go on the top in file and then account. And then here I can actually choose the channel. So for example, you want even more frequent update, you can change from current channel to beta channel. Okay. So when we select beta channel, you're gonna see the updates are more frequent. So now after selecting beta, we need to click OK. Now here you can see that it says that you are signed up for a beta channel, which means that we're gonna have even more updates in terms of feature. So let me click here on this option, which is update now, so that we're gonna get all the new features and update in our Office. The way you can track this is by noting down the version or build number. So here we can see the current version of Microsoft Office is 2506. And let's see, after downloading these updates, what will be the next version of Office. So let's wait for this download process to get completed. Okay, so seems like we have downloaded the updates from beta channel. Again, we need to save the document, and then you may rely on this particular milk. You may do save change to the document, as we need to restart our Office. So again, here now you see this is how it look now. And let me again go back here in file, account, and this time here you can see we are already signed up for the beta channel. And now it is also asking us to sign in to verify. So let me quickly do that. Now again, it is asking us to restart. So let me quickly do that. Now again, here in update option, we need to click on update now. And there we go. So seems like we have downloaded all the necessary updates that are available for Microsoft Office. And then you for sure might have seen the version 2507 build number now look different. To see more what actually was released inside that particular channel, what we can do here is we can visit the specific build, and then we can see what are the things that we have resolved in that particular build. So that's how guys you can get the latest and greatest feature update from Microsoft. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic, as we keep on bringing videos related to various productivity topics including Microsoft Office. And I will see you around. Till then, you take care and bye bye.